What's up guys, welcome to another DEATHbX video. Today we're going to be replacing this janky thing. Oh god, after all these years this thing finally broke. It was bound to happen, I guess. You can see the plastic just snapped is all. But before we get to it, please do me a favor, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, that way you don't miss out my next DEATHbX video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. That sucks. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's what you're gonna need to do in order to replace your broken hatch handle. In order to get in here, we're gonna have to remove the gray panel, more than likely that you have. I'm gonna post a picture of what it looks like, but you're gonna remove these little plastic tabs that are right here. Don't forget you're gonna have one in the middle, okay? And once you remove that, it's gonna look like this. And the bolts we're going to need to get to in order to remove this is going to be that 10mm bolt, this 10mm bolt, and because my hatch broke off, it's not there. That was one of the pieces that broke off. You're going to have a 10mm also right there. There's this grommet on here. You're gonna have to like squeeze it through. Here's that grommet, and just carefully pull on it. And here's a comparison of both. So this is what I was talking about on the OEM. It looks like you don't have this metal reinforcement bracket that strengthens up the plastic. Alright, and here is the final results. I don't know, what do you guys think? It functions as it should. Let me know in the comments below. Did I do alright going with the carbon fiber wannabe look? I feel like it kind of matches. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But yeah guys, that's how you replace your broken hatch handle. If you liked today's video, please do me a favor. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.